Hello, traders. Today is Monday, July 14th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. And we're starting off on the daily time frame. So, on the daily, we definitely been going down for a few weeks now. The question is this move down part of a pullback to this move up, meaning that we're going to make three waves down to one of these fib levels and continue the uptrend? Or is it just going to keep on going down, giving us a break of structure on the daily, proving that we potentially have a wave C and we potentially have a much bigger move to the downside. So we really don't know. All we really know is that this wave right here is over from here to here. If we get one, two, three waves down, if we get a Fibonacci bounce, if we get like an engulfing move or a break of structure, preferably on shorter time frames, then that could be telling us that the trend is back up. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, if this is really an A right here, this is really a C, B, and a C, and this is just a pullback to the uptrend on the daily, then we potentially are going to start seeing breaks of structure, which we are starting to get. So definitely keep an eye out. I mean, if this thing starts making higher highs, higher lows, it possibly could start a brand new series of higher highs, higher lows, and continue up. I have my Fibonacci retracement on here because if it's just like maybe a wave one, and then it makes like three waves up for like a wave two, and then turns down hard at a fib level, that's a completely different thing than a brand new series of higher highs, higher lows, if this right here really is the end of a pullback. So definitely keep an eye on your fib levels just in case it's like a 1-2 and then it turns at one of these fibs back to the downside, or whether it continues to make higher highs, higher lows, and it's actually a complete trend reversal. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.